Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Slack API error, not allowed token type. This error usually happens when the wrong type of Slack token is used in the API request. For example, you may be using a user token or webhook instead of your bot token. First, check your Slack app token. Go to your browser and search for api.slack.com. Then go to your app and click on your app name. From here, scroll down until you find OAuth and permissions. Now scroll down and you will see OAuth token and bot user OAuth token. Click copy and carefully copy this token to replace the incorrect token in your request. Go to your API tool, code, or app where you are making the request. Make sure you are not using the xoxb token or webhook URL. Now fix your request header. Set your authorization header as bearer followed by your xoxb token. Make sure there are no extra spaces or incorrect formatting. After that, click Reinstall to Workspace just like this. Follow the reinstallation steps. This ensures the new permission and token settings are applied correctly. Finally, test your request again, and your issue should be successfully fixed. In most cases, the error is fixed once the correct bot token and authorization format are used. That's it. We just learned how to fix the Slack API not allotted token type error by using the correct xoxb bot token. We also updated the authorization header and reinstalled the app to the workspace. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial video.